We'll take a breath practice now called Nadi Shodhana. Nadi Shodhana balances the sun and moon energy within our nadis, within the channels of our body. We'll bend the pointer finger and middle finger. Place your right thumb on your right nostril, just a little slightly higher than the opening. There's a valve here. And you can use your ring finger on your left nostril. If this feels too foreign or awkward right now, you could use hang loose and use your thumb and your pinky, or you could use your pincher fingers, thumb and index finger to seal off one side. So the process is to breathe in through the left side, exhale through the right, breathe in through the right, and exhale left. That's one breath cycle. We'll be doing 5 today. When you're ready, seal off your right nostril. Breathe in through the left nostril only. When you get to the top of your inhale, take a pause, seal the left side, release the right side so you can exhale completely through the right. Take your pause at the end of your exhale, then begin your inhale on the right side. Seal the right and exhale left. I'll guide us through 1 or 2 more, and then I'll let you be with this practice on your own to complete 2 more rounds to complete 5 total. Seal the right, inhale left. Seal the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Seal your right nostril and release the left to exhale left. That completes our second round. Inhale left. Pause. Exhale right. Pause. Inhale right. Pause. Exhale left. We always complete on the left side. Please complete 2 more rounds. Inhale left. If you lose track, you can always begin again. The next time you exhale through the left nostril, you can release your hand down in your lap. And pause here to breathe naturally. Let your breath lead here. Perhaps it may want to draw in a long inhale or take a sighing exhale. Listen to your body and see if you can meet its needs. Once more, bring your hand to heart center with a little space between your palms. Press your thumbs into your sternum. And release your head down towards your heart.